Guys, this is not fixed here. That is manual transmission car will not go into gear when it starts, but it goes into gear when it doesn't start. So what could be the problem? I have seen this kind of problem before in this Jetta, and if you have this very problem here, I'm gonna be giving you a very simple trick you're gonna try before tearing anything apart. There are several parts that can actually cause this shifter from going into gear, and I'm gonna be brief with teaching you what you need to know. So my car, no, mini anye bere that day. Okwe na so beg ya. Na e, mbia no nkita ma bia gbaputa mo.
Na mmiri wu.
Nkita ma bia gbaputa ma amakwa ma kushi. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing here is let me start it and show you guys. Let me start it. Okay. Now it's not going. I'm clutching completely. It's not going. See? Now let me try to put it on reverse. Listen. Can you hear that? So the clutch is clutching, but it's not working. It's not that the clutch failed, although bad clutch can be able to make it. So I've experienced this kind of problem before. So let me go ahead and show you the tip, what you need to do first before going further. So pop the hood open. Then you want to find someone to depress this guy for you. The clutch pedal. So I'm gonna be using this wood to hold it down like this. Okay, now that it's like this, now let's go into the hood. Let's go into the hood. Now over here there is something which they used to close this guy here. I think it is for inspection purpose, and so you need to find it and pop it open if it has this type of transmission system. Now with that clutch depressed, what we want to do here right now is to use a flat screwdriver to try to ply the clutch, because the clutch is stuck. I've seen this kind of problem before, and when I opened it, nothing seemed to be wrong. It's just stuck, and immediately when I remove it and put it back, everything started working fine. So as soon as you shift the clutch, that it becomes free. That's why I say you should depress that guy there, the clutch, before you do this. So I hope this helps you solve it. But as soon as you free it up, if you okay. Now if you look into that book, right? If you look into it, I want to show you something. You might be lucky if suppose it's actually water that you get into. Now if you look in between here, that is where you need to put your flat screwdriver. You want to chisel from the end here. I just separated it. Now look at it there. I inserted it there. So it wasn't having that, it was gumming before. I think VW know that this problem often occurs. So I want to show you more. Just a moment, focus. Come on. It's quite hard to camera, but I'm trying. to show you this because I know this is where the problem is. But if you've fixed a car before and you know the clutch plate, okay, there we go. Now that is a clutch plate. You guys can see how I wounded it, right? So let me show you where you need to put. You need to put your screwdriver, flat screwdriver, in between the clutch and the flywheel, not in between the clutch and the pressure plate. So, and separate it. Now you guys can see where I wounded it there. So I believe it's gonna work. So let me go ahead and start the car right now. Boy, you. Okay, excuse me, okay. Now, the first one I supported, it didn't work, so I have to use the L shape to really floor it completely before you hold it. You can have someone to press it down for you while you do this. So me, I'm gonna take this off right now. Okay. I'm certain that this is actually gonna work right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and start the car. Let me engage and look at it, guys, it worked. Look at the reverse, it worked. Okay guys, a hacking without having to remove any damn thing. So don't forget every procedure I've taught you in this very tutorial. Follow it diligently and you get it done. So you see, before, watch my video before, it wasn't going in. It was, in fact, when I tried to put it in reverse, it made grrr, but now it's going. Let me start it. Okay. Now it's not going. I'm clutching completely. It's not going. See? Now let me try to put it in reverse. Listen. Can you hear that? So the clutch is clutching, but it's not working. It's not that the clutch failed. Fine. So let me go pack everything up. Okay. Still use this thing to cover it up. VW are genius. They always update their cars when they know that there is a subsequent problem that arises. So here I got something I really want to go pick from inside the town, and it's time I gotta go. Now typically what this thing would have been is to remove the gearbox. It's a whole lot of work, guys, and something just talked to me I should try this method which I use right now that worked, and I'm glad it later worked as I believe. So you have to believe sometimes to make the impossible become possible. It remains now fixed. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.